After several years of ups and downs in the local ag machinery market, McCormick Tractors is on a mission to rebuild its name in Australia. Its distributor, Clark Equipment, is not missing any chances of putting the brand in front of farmers, either at field days or out in the field on demos. Its range-topping X7 range was recently showcased to some farmers in Corryong, Victoria, who also had the chance to hop in and try the tractors out for themselves.
It's the 670 VT. It is 180 horsepower. It's an Iveco engine. It's a 6.7 litre Tier 4 engine. Essentially this particular machine is running a ZF VT transmission. So an infinite speed control. We're running 4 modes. We've got auto mode, PDO mode, road mode, and of course plough mode there as well. Basically it's giving the operator full control over the machine in any application. Anything to do with an X series, X4, X5, X6, X7, they're our premium machines. So the better cabs, better loaders, cab suspensions, axle suspensions, smoother transmissions.
McCormick has equipped the X7 series tractors with a Carraro front axle, and the machine's 3-point linkage offers a 10-ton lift capacity.
As far as the machine goes, it's the premium cab, so it's a high-vis cab whereby you have the actual vision out of the roof when you're loading and unloading hay, silage, all that sort of jazz. The reason that we've come out today is to bring the McCormick machines back to the farmers and to the people, to get bums in seats and to get them experiencing McCormick tractors, seeing the quality in them. Essentially we're covering all applications from vineyard, orchard, broadacre, row cropping, and getting some really good feedback here in Australia.